Would you like to know how to thrive in ministry work while building a profitable online business? Click the link below and learn how to follow your calling with purpose and confidence and create passive income. In this video, we'd like to share with you how we found a way to create a profitable online business that help free up your time to do ministry work. This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people just like you from Toronto, Ontario, and we're online business owners.
For over 10 years, we had good jobs, but also had a mountain of debt. With difficult financial times and a high cost of living, we had to spend more time working than pursuing our desire to serve in the ministry and giving to charitable organizations.
We reached a point and started looking for ways to work online while doing ministry work. We knew there was a solution, we just didn't know what it was at the time.
By God's grace, we came upon a social media ad just like this one. It was from a couple running a successful online business. Their story inspired us on how they paid off their consumer debts, helped family, saved for their future, supported mission work, and even traveled the world. We clicked the ad without any hesitation. We signed up, and that simple action has changed our lives.
Our online business is up and running, bringing us closer to our dreams than ever before. Thanks be to God for this business, as we have the opportunity to free up our time to do ministry work and make passive income.
If you are open to the idea of unlocking a new stream of income to pay off your debts and fulfill your dreams to do ministry work, click the link below to register with your name and email address. We are going to send you the details for a free webinar information session.
Now, if you're someone who's coachable and loves the Lord and you need change, take that bold step today. Click the link below and get ready for your journey towards your online success. Click the link at sarahkaraoke.net.
Blessings to you and thank you.
See you on the inside.